And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you how you can expand and shrink the timeline. Sometimes you want to resize one of these clips and then the timeline isn't big enough or small enough. You can do that right here using the slider, plus and minus. You can also click on that. Short keys are added here, so when you hover over it, you can see them. What I like to use though is to hold Control and then I use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. And there's also this button, Shift Z is the short key in my version, zoom to fit timeline. And this will zoom it to the position where you can see all of the media that's included or that's currently added in the timeline. So if I hold Alt and drag some copies out of here to make it bigger, and then I click on this again, as I've said, Shift Z would be the short key. You can see how this jumps out of the frame, makes the timeline bigger. So 3 options, slider using plus minus, or hold Control and then use the mouse wheel. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.